Hello everybody, this is Shobhit. So guys, in this video we will talk about how we can compare two objects. So there might be a scenario in which you are saving an object into a database, and after that you want to compare after some time, right? So if you want to comparing, there are multiple ways you can do that. So by comparing the properties, each and every property, you can deduce it whether these two objects are identical or not, and even you can serialize it and compare the string. Based on that you can also deduce that if two object are identical or not, right? But in this video we will talk about hashes, how we can compare the object using hash, right? So for that, I'm just showing you a little demonstration over here. So uh, here I have written a code, get hash code, right? So in this I'm just using a string. The string is Shobhit, and based on that I'm returning a hash code, right? So let me quickly execute this program and check what it is returning, right? So I'm calling this get hash code over here in the my main method, and I'm just calling inside, and I'm just returning output to the console, right? So let me quickly execute it and see what is the output of this, right? So this is the output of this. So let me quickly copy it, put it somewhere so that we can verify it whether this is same or not in the next time, right? So when I run it again, you can notice, let me check. Yeah, so when I run it again, you will notice that this value is different from the previous value, right? So the previous value is something like that, 179 starting with, and here it's starting with 487, right? So it means that this get hash will not return the same value each and every time, right? So that will not solve our problem, because if we restart our program, and we will see a different value each and every time. So how we can get the hash, and how we can verify that the object is identical or not? So the another method which I have written over here is get hash, right? So in the get hash, what I did is I used the same string which I used as before. So here I am creating an MD5, right? So MD5 is a static class of system.security.cryptography. I'm just creating a variable over here, this MD5, and by this code md5.compute hash, right? So I have to pass bytes over here, because compute hash always takes bytes, right? So I need to convert this show bit str into the bytes. So by this method I'm just converting this, right? So system.text.encoding.get bytes of this, so it will return me a byte, and I'm passing this byte, so it will return me an hash. So to convert into the string, I'm just using the bit converter dot to string to that. So it will return me a hash code, something like that, right? So let me quickly uncomment my program, and I'm just gonna comment it out, and here I need to uncomment it. So I'm just calling my get hash method. It returns some value. I'm just comparing this value. If this value is returning same each and every time, it will say okay, hash matched, otherwise hash not matched, right? So let me quickly execute it and see whether hash will match or not, right? Okay, so you can see over here hash matched, right? I just need to rerun it again just to verify whether it will return the same value. Okay, again I'm getting the same, and I just want to check once again, right? So hash, every time when I execute this program, I'll get the same hash, right? So guys, in this way you can calculate the hash and put it somewhere into the database, and once you have the hash in the database, you can compare it, so each and every time it will give you a same value, right? So that's way you can use this method. You can write your custom method. You can't use this type of method, especially in that scenario where you want to persist your cache somewhere into the database, because this get hash code use the memory where actually in the memory it is stored. So each and every time when you restart your program, it will give a different data, different hash code. So I hope my video would be clear for you. If you have any question, concern, put it into the comment box. I'll definitely reply over there. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my work, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.